Alright, so hi guys. So I know you guys haven't seen me for a while. That's because A, I was sick, and B, I was doing tests and stuff. So school is finished now. Feel better. I had flu, but I feel better now. I'm here with mom and mommy.
Hi Paris. But there son pass university. We're waiting on camera data and she have an exam today. Or she has an exam today.
Alright, so we're just here, waiting on her for the time being. We're just gonna show you guys. That's the bigger area over there. I'm trying to zoom in for you guys. That's the bigger area. And those are just some smaller areas, people working around the back there. And over there. Oh yeah, sure, right there. It's the main part where most of the classes are and stuff like that. Right here, most of some this is the area you can sit down. I don't really come here often, so yeah.
Those stop up the blue and yellow there, those are the classrooms.
They are?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
So those up there, Paris, that's at the classroom. That's all of those up there. They're the classrooms, top to bottom and all of that. And I guess we have some other different ones. All of that around that area right there is a canteen. And you have some other places around the back and all of that. So you can get them up on the car park. It's a really,
It's showing the car park.
yeah, all around, because it's a lot bigger. Yeah, carry the camera,
Right, so this is a car park, as you can see. So lots of cars around here because, lots of kids go to university. So yeah. As we move around, I'm sure you guys can see it. So we're going to see you guys in the next clip whenever we come back.
So Paris, it's an honor, it's a blessing, and it's a privilege. I'm at Son's past university, and this is a lady who made all of them struggling their possible. Let us say something to them, say something.
Same, so we know the struggles, we know say it did hard, but she still come and she still do her thing, and we help her out, and him done.
Yes.
Yes, and him help her out.
Right. Struggle is real, Paris. Struggle is real.
Love it.
So now exam is finished for now. For now, but not for the whole day, just for now. People are, the kids, poor kids. Them people them go out now. Yeah. So yeah, and some people coming in to do exams now, and some coming out. So yeah. Yeah. Alright, so when we see you guys again in the next clip. Alright guys, so we're here at Devon house. As you can see, we just walked in a while ago. And you guys know, well, we've been over here a lot of times already, so you guys know.
It's been a long time.
Well, from mom, not really from me.
This is the part where we can't go until on a Sunday.
Or a Saturday.
No,
only on a Sunday.
Saturday or on a Sunday, I think.
So so that's the traffic out there, if you guys can see from here. I believe you can. Yes, I'm trying to show it. That's the traffic from right there. As you can see, it's very, very tight at the moment. And this is like the old trees that they have here. Those, them trees that they were for a long time.
Remember,
and
some
they grow.
people don't know Jamaica. If not all Jamaicans watching us, Camera Girl.
Yeah.
So Paris, this is all, and you can see right over there. That is Old Hope Road and Trafalgar Road traffic. Let me tell you, it's crazy out here this Friday. It is a crazy day. So we just come out here. So we are on the road. So we just come out here. So we got just come cool off ourselves with the ice cream. The trees them so cool. They're so cool. All of you who never been to Jamaica, please to ask me now. Doing a promo for them, but you need to come get a grip up here. It's just different. The breeze. It's just different. You're always away from everything. So we're going to the end of the normal where we are go up there go look for an ice cream. Camera Girl look like Camera Girl is going for Bad Dog. And
also like, house looking area over there. Most of them look like little houses, yes. So that's where it is. And that's the other side over there. And this is where they're going. If you're driving in, you get your little gate pass or something like that.
So we are walking right
Yeah.
in now. We are walking straight right in. So Paris, we're having a little snacky. I am eating kind of patty. It's a chicken patty. So this is how they make their patty. This is the shape of Devon house patty, I guess. All of the patty in them shapes of the beef too. So I'm just having a little chicken patty and a cran water. That's what I'm having. My girl, where you eat?
A blueberry turnover. It's inside the bag.
Yeah, I just search for
I was looking for somewhere to get
milkshake, but it's still on.
Yeah. I wanted a bad dog before, but they just opened, so I had to wait.
Pastry something.
Yeah.
So look here, I'm gonna have this. You know, so of course, we're gonna have to have dessert with me. We're gonna have to have dessert with me, yeah. Look a bit. Harry, you know, some of these them might get less little. They are getting smaller. This is what I'm having, camera girl. Eat with your eyes, may eat for me only. A long time I'm gonna come here. My girl is gonna get milkshake. She want milkshake, so when she come with her milkshake, she'll show you. But please come in. Then look at them little. If you watch my previous vlog with eating ice cream, them look small to me. I message you not for a long time. Later.
So I got my milkshake. I just came out. This is strawberry swirl. Is it? Yeah. Yes, strawberry swirl and cookies and cream with whipped cream and butterscotch.
And I'm very much here.
Yeah.
One more. No.
Alright, let's go. So yeah guys, that's what I'm having, and then after this I'm going to get my hot
It's
dog.
good though.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's not bad. It's not bad for
It's really good.
yeah, for the price either. It's good. So we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Alright, Paris, we are back home. I'm tired. This sitting on my eye. I've been up from early. When you see me on the road, I've been up from something to 4 this morning, jumping around, and because we went to deliver some cakes before we started vlogging. So I'm gonna come home and look here. I'm gonna put a piece of saltfish for soap. And I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna get myself a nice bath and I'm gonna go sleep. Today a Friday at Jamaica. We don't really cook like that. So this piece of saltfish I'm gonna put for soap. I'm gonna make some fritters for supper for me, camera girl and dads. Fritters and bread and probably tea or some drinks or water or something, okay? So I hope you have liked this little vlog that we put together, and if you do, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to make sure you're subscribed, remember to share, remember to leave your comments below and all of that. We want to thank you so much for your love, we want to thank you so much for your support, and it doesn't matter what we do right on over here, never let the evil around you, don't make it take control of you. But if you do, camera girl, from behind the camera,
Stay up on top of things.
yes, right on top of things. Because look here, don't forget to get that little puss snap in. This is, I'm gonna get a bath, get my little puss snap in right now. We got some more things from the comment section. I forgot to look more in the nurse story. Remember to catch your little puss snap